Seedance 4K videos are insane. It really does make a huge difference. Just look at this crazy good example right here.
Take me higher.
This really is incredible. But today, I'm actually going to give you a prompt to follow that I actually found on Higgsfield AI on their website itself from a commenter. Now, I was able to make this video right here following this prompt that I'm about to share with you and then create a 60-second mini AI film.
You're up next.
Now here is the full prompt on your screen right here. Now I know a lot of it is jumbled up and you might not know exactly where to use what, but no problem. I'm gonna show you right now exactly how to break all of this down. Okay, so here is the first portion of this prompt right here. You can see it's labeled as Scene 1, the warning, okay? First person perspective, you. I went ahead and tagged a character I created. In this case, it's gonna be Sophie, wakes up in a modern bedroom. Now, when it comes to this prompt, you can change it up. This is just a great POV style prompt path to follow. You could add in your own specific elements. So I'll show you this very quickly. I'll copy this and you're going to repeat the process the same way over and over again. So that's the first scene. Now again, this full prompt is a 5-scene series, times that by 15 seconds and you're going to get a full 60 seconds worth. All right, here is the second portion. If I open this up right here, you could see that it says now Scene 2, the first disappearance, POV again. I put at my character, which won't really matter because a POV in this case, you can't see the person's face, but nonetheless, there is that full prompt. And then the same thing goes for Scene 3, another POV, but then Scene 4 gets really interesting and good, okay? Because now, again, still remaining POV, now we get a different scene flow to where she's now entering into a different portion of the film, getting more of a scary type vibe. So I won't regenerate this whole thing again. I'll just show you how to do, let's say, the first 2 scenes, but using this method, I'll completely change up what we're gonna get, all right? So let's go over into video. Make sure we have Seedance selected, all right? I'm now gonna go ahead and paste in that prompt. With that being the case, let's remove my character, bring in a completely different one. So I say you, and I'll say at to tag a character. In this case, we'll use this one here, Sunshine. Leave everything else the same. However, we will make a few minor changes just to show you the difference on how you can kind of customize this yourself. Modern bedroom at sunrise. So I'm gonna say at dusk, okay? The screen lights up with a mysterious notification saying, don't look at the time. Instead of saying don't look at the time, let's put something else. We'll say your time has come. All right, everything else will remain the same. Now, the key thing you want to keep in mind, you want to ensure that we have 4K selected, and the bit rate, we could change it up if we want. Okay, high, less compression, larger size. I'm going to leave it at high. And then again, of course, we can choose our duration. Now, just so I don't utilize so many tokens, I'll leave it on 10 seconds for now, just to show you how this can be generated. And now at 4K, let's generate this one. All right, that's going to be prompt 1 for scene number 1. Now, going back, let's get that scene number 2 prompt where it's going to show this man disintegrating. So let me copy this prompt. Now, there is one thing I forgot to mention. I do like utilizing this process instead. I do like using it directly within Cinema Studio because using it here, it's more going to guarantee that I get scene consistency. So with Cinema Studio 3.5 selected, that's what I would recommend. Select that. All right. Now, you could start your process like I just showed you and then use that as a video reference going forward. But nonetheless, I would almost suggest just starting here directly in Cinema Studio. So with that being the case, I'm going to paste in my prompt. Now, remember, I'm not using her anymore. I'm going to put POV and now tag that woman, which again, won't really matter because it's POV, but maybe it will help if like it shows her hands walking through a busy street. People are chatting. Now watch this. A woman checks her wristwatch. Now for the woman is one of our characters. Sophie checks her wristwatch, and within a second, her body dissolves into dust and disappears. Okay, everything else will leave the same. We'll make this, might as well leave it at 15 seconds, have sound on. And here is the important thing. We want to select, make sure that we have 4K selected. There it is. It was defaulted at 1080. And now that being the case, let's now generate this one. Okay, and now our videos are done. Look how amazing these turned out. And like I said, 4K really does make a huge difference. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And again, if you like this video, please remember, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Home on the dash, got a cold blue shine. Your goodbye sits heavy on the passenger side. I learned quick how to swallow the smoke, how to wear a bruise like a silk coat when the world gets loud.
We're not in Texas anymore, Eric.